Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I am going to be posting today and 12 more days afterwards because we are making a series together, the Anna Griffin 12 by 12 Simply Astrid Scrapbook Kit. Now, this is just the kit, no dies, no nothing except for what comes in the kit. It's almost for beginners, or if you just want to do just what's in this kit and put it together. I think by following me, you could probably get this done in like 2 days. We are going to use everything in the kit. This is the leftovers from both kits because I made one, and then we are going to make videos, and then this is the leftover white cardstock out of the two kits that come in between. So I took a picture. This is all of the embellishments stacked. There's 6 of each one, and there's over 300 or something. So I took a picture because I forgot to show you, and I said 300 divided into 12. I added 2 page protectors that I got off of Amazon or Anna Griffin. I don't remember which. We are memory keepers, and I've had them for a long time, so I bought them off of Amazon. And I said 12 double-sided pages, which is 24 pages divided into all this. Told me I could have 4.5 or 5.5 and how many of everything to make this. I'm going to walk through this, and then starting tomorrow I will make a double page layout for you to follow along and to know what to do, or maybe say that doesn't work, what not to do. So let's go through it real fast, and then starting tomorrow there will be like a 15-minute tutorial to show you how to put it together. So when I say a double page layout, it is 2 pages. So since this is the cover, this page is the same as the back page. I added 2 of these plastic sleeves, so I like a 12 page, so it's like a year's worth. So she has 10, but you have enough paper and supplies to do a 12. I also always put a journaling card here so I can sign it and put the date I made it, because I give these to my grandchildren. So there was the first double page. Here's the second. Here's the third. And so on. It is beautiful. It turned out so nice. We did not use anything but was in the kit. We don't need anything else. So let's get your kit out, and let's get ready to make this together. So there you go, guys. There it is. So starting tomorrow we will do this. Okay, so please share, like, comment, and follow along. And here it is. Here's everything in here. Here it is, waiting to be put together. Already cut down to size, so it's going to be quick and easy. And yeah, so hopefully you will like this. Hopefully you will follow along. I've done this with other albums of Anna's, so go back to Anna's playlist, Anna Griffin playlist. You can buy this on annagriffin.com. She has several albums of different patterns and different colors, and every year I buy them and make videos for you. So hopefully you will like this, and let's just leave it at that page so you can see the first page and we can get ready for it, and get everything that mixes and matches together. All my links are down below, and follow me on Victorian Dreams by Leigh, all social media, and this is from annagriffin.com, And once again, it is the kit right here. I think I bought this last year, and it's been sitting here for 6 months, and I'm just now getting to it. So hopefully you like it, and hopefully you follow along. Simply Astrid Scrapbook Kit. Have a blessed day, everybody.